Trekking poles do more than help you balance. They take real load off your knees on descents and add power on climbs. Here's how to choose a pair. First, adjustability and packed size. Telescoping poles adjust to your height and the terrain. Folding or Z-style poles pack down smaller for travel and stowing on your pack. For most hikers, adjustable poles are the most versatile. Second, the lock. Lever or external locks are easy to adjust with gloves and hold securely. Twist locks are lighter but can slip over time. If you're new, go with lever locks. Third, material. Aluminum is tougher and cheaper, and it bends rather than snaps under stress. Carbon fiber is lighter for fast, long days, but it can crack on a hard impact. For rough, rocky terrain, aluminum is the safer bet. Set the length so your elbow sits at about 90 degrees on flat ground. Shorten them for climbs, lengthen them for descents. For our full breakdown and current top picks, check the link below.